Good morning. Got Quickly in the car. We here. We getting some breakfast right now. McDonald's again.
Yeah.
About to get some McGriddles, hash brown, coffee, and then head to the training grounds. We were about to be late, but we went over there and asked Coach, man, hey man, can we get some McDonald's? He said, hurry up. So we hit the McDonald's real quick. But yeah, day 2. Here we go. Sausage McGriddle, a hash brown, and a medium coffee with 4 cream, 4 sugars.
4 cream, 4 sugar, 4 4?
Yes, sir.
It'll be 1080.
Thanks, man. Here we are at the training grounds. Alright, so we already went through like all the sections that we needed to go through, like cornering, braking, impairments, some California laws that we need to understand, like for emissions, 55 miles per hour on a trailer, just like if you're driving a car. We went over SPAT. It's like an acronym that you use when you're riding your motorcycle. Also the A3 strategies. Then we took the test. Did I pass the test? Yes. Did I get everything right? Nah. But I did pass, so we're good to go. We're gonna go ahead after this. We're gonna hop on the bikes and do some more, behind the wheel, behind the handlebars experiences. But for the most part, we're good. We're good to go. Man's passed. Just to let you guys know, you have to get an 80% on the test, which is it's a multiple choice questions. You can miss 10, so do the math. I missed 10, so man barely made it. Quison's still in here, like I said, doing his thing. He's taking a little bit of a while. We got Evan's out here. What'd you get, bro?
I missed 5.
Okay, yeah, so he did 50% better than me. That's way better. He got 90%. Man's got 80%, but yeah. Another person already left to go get lunch. We got to be back by 10:30. I don't really know what I'm gonna eat. I'm waiting for Quison. Quison probably gonna get 100. What'd you get, fam? 100%? Ah, I freaking knew it.
I didn't get 100.
Oh, all right. Wait.
Got like a 84.
All right, 84. Still beat your boy. Man's get 80.
Cool.
Αποκλείεται να ξέρει τι πάει να πει, να είσαι τίμιος και ειλικρινής και ταυτόχρονα παράνομος. Όποιος δεν έχει ζήσει στο πεζοδρόμιο, καλά θα κάνει να το πουλώνει. Όταν η κουβέντα φτάνει σε θέματα όπως η μοναξιά και η ανασφάλεια.
Τελικά δεν κατάλαβα και πολλά πράγματα από τα τραγούδια σου, φίλε. Εξήγησέ μου αν θέλεις. Εξήγησέ μου με δικά σου λόγια. Απλά. Τι προσπαθείς να πεις? Ποια είναι τα μηνύματα που θες να εκφράσεις με τους στίχους σου? Γιατί αυτό είναι το πρόβλημα που σε ένα παιδί. Η στίχη σου.
Take it easy the first couple laps, let everybody get out, okay? Of course.
Αυτό
αυτό που θα πω τώρα θέλω να μην κοπεί ούτε ένα κόμμα. Μέσα στα παιδιά και στον χώρο των ψυχομανών τρομερά διαμαγεία υπάρχουν. Τρομεροί άνθρωποι, πολύ δυνατές προσωπικότητες. Και το μεγάλο λάθος εδώ είναι της Ελλάδας. Έφαλε αυτά τα παιδιά. Και να με λιγώνει αυτό. Λιγώνει πολύ φέρεστα. Δεν μπορώ να βρω να γεμίσω τις ώρες μου με ενδιαφέροντα πράγματα που να μ' αρέσουν. Τώρα να θυμάμαι κάποτε ένα τα ποίηματα, ένα με τραγούδια. Δηλαδή οι καλές ρήτες που είχαν πει πάλι σαν Αμερική. Τέλος πάντων, παράτησα όλα αυτά. Πράγματα που αγαπούσα και μ' αρέσαν και σταμάτησα να γράφω.
So just on a little break right now after all those little maneuvers. Man's getting some water, get hydrated. It's getting pretty hot out here, but everything's going good.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and start them up.
Κοιτάξτε, δεν ξέρω τι συμβαίνει με τους άλλους. Πάντως, εγώ μπορώ να μιλήσω για αυτά που έζησα. Τι θα σας πω τώρα. Πολλά είναι τα προβλήματα που αντιμετωπίζει ένας νέος. Είναι τα οικογενειακά, τα οικονομικά. Τι θα σας πω. Εγώ πιστεύω δηλαδή ότι ένας νέος έχει επιθυμίες. Θέλει. Κι άμα δεν θέλει, τον κάνω να θέλει.
Evan's bike ran out of gas because he's on the throttle too much.
Thirsty, bro.
Throttle junkie.
She can't handle it.
But we on the last break right now. We about to do the test. So let you guys know, update after we do the test. I'm pretty hungry though, I'm not gonna lie. I should have ate something at that Lil Joe's Cafe. Now man's is thinking about that. I think I'm down to go to Cane's after this. Man's wants some chicken. DOMING UEZ. Let me get it.
Your last name?
That's my last name.
Okay, cool. What's your first name?
Daniel. We military go last name.
I got it. Yeah, I got it. I've been called Lang my whole life.
Anyone will tell you.
Alright. We all passed. We all did our thing. Coach Clark hooked us up, taught us how to do the thing. We're gonna be on the road. Now we get assigned this really cool board. Boy Evan, he's in there.
Baby.
Kings. Kings.
Drive fast, take chances.
Yeah, these are all the people that graduated.
That's just from the summer.
Just from this summer? Jeez.
Man, good job, dude.
Yeah.
Appreciate you keeping the force safe for us, man. Yeah.
Man's gonna, you feel me?
Right on, man. We all should do that. It was super cool, gentlemen. Meet you guys. Yeah. Stay in touch, man. Yeah. Both of them are Instagram.
Yeah, so that concludes the end of this video. I'm hungry. I didn't really eat lunch, so need to eat some lunch. I'm so hungry right now. It's kicking right now, for sure.
What do you think about R1 is like a terrible?
Till next video, you know, gotta go to DMV. Couple 7 days. Gotta wait till they get that form to go to the DMV, get that endorsement, and then, yeah, your boy gonna be licensed, be legal. Feel me? Catch you guys in the next video.
See you out there, boy.
Yeah. Peace.